how and when does one separate and replant iris? And this is Doug on Facebook. So you know a little bit about iris. You've done a couple of segments with us.
That's the state flower of Tennessee.
Yes.
We know a lot about iris.
Yeah, we know about iris.
Yeah, iris need to be dug up and transplanted in June or July.
Okay.
They like it hot.
Yeah, it's hot during that time.
It's hot. And I know it's more uncomfortable for the people to dig up and divide them in, but that's the best time after they finish blooming to dig and divide.
Okay.
Because
after they finish blooming.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, and I would dig it up and make sure you get some of the other roots underneath it. You know, dig a shovel full so you might cut off some of them, but the majority of the roots under the rhizome.
Okay.
And do know that the rhizome has growing points, it has foliage on it, and what people mostly do is they'll cut the foliage to about 6 to 8 inches tall. They'll write the name of the variety on that leaf.
Really? Okay.
And when they dig it up, they'll transplant it, and you want some of the foliage with some of the root, you know, at least a few inches, and then some roots down below, and then plant that. But, you know, if he goes on to the Iris Society website, they have a lot of pictures about that. Okay. But yeah, June, July is the best time, because then you can replant them or give them away, and other people can plant them, and they'll be established before fall.
About that. And then I remember you demonstrated, you know, for us before how to plant the rhizomes, right? Get the roots down, heal them up.
Heal them up.
Okay.
And make sure that the rhizome is still visible.
Okay. That was the other thing. Okay.
Yeah, because sometimes they won't bloom when the rhizome is not showing.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.